everyone, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Nusha, and as always, it's amazing to have you here. This is my favorite ever oracle deck for love readings. I'm in love with this deck, and you will see why. It comes with this beautiful, colorful box, very high quality, amazing. We have also a detail in the side of the box. It is published by Vibe About It Studio. I purchased it from their Etsy shop, which I will put the link in the description below. And oh my gosh, this is so colorful. This is the beautiful bag, and we have a lovely gold edge. So this deck has 100 cards. Yes, really, 100 cards. It's in the 350 GSM high quality art paper. And the size, of course, is a standard Oracle deck size, bigger than Tarot. Has this high glossy UV varnishing, and makes the artwork pop up better because of this glossiness, which I really enjoy. This deck has different cards. For example, we have seasonal cards, yes or no cards, zodiac signs, and also a lot of amazing keywords related to love, romance, breakup, and so on. Before starting the walkthrough, just to give you an idea of the cards structure, we have the main artwork, we have the keywords, we have some bullet points below explaining the keyword, and then on top we have a message, like we want to kind of get to know more about the keywords. And sometimes it's like affirmation, sometimes it's intention of somebody, sometimes it's like what you want to do or you have to do. So different version of the text per each card. So let's start the walkthrough. Okay, shuffling. As you see, we have 100 cards, so definitely I cannot do refill shuffling. I mean, I cannot do it, so I will not even try to do it. So, the best way that I found to shuffle this deck is side shuffling, of course. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Lovely. One more time. Beautiful. And also overhand shuffling, which works perfectly. When your deck is new, the cards will stick to each other, but don't worry, it will be fine over time. Okay, let's read this card then. So, infatuation. Being carried away by an unreasonable passion. Obsessively strong emotions for someone based on physical needs and or believing it is the perfect relationship. And what it says on top, I don't know if this was love or I was in love with the idea of being in love. Our connection was all too consuming and I can't wrap my head around it. Beautiful. So, as I mentioned in the intro section, I love this deck. I think it's amazing for love reading. This is my to go deck when I'm doing relationship readings. I highly recommend this deck if you don't have anything similar to that. I love the artwork. I love this feeling of like this pop art thing. The color palette is so amazing, and I get excited whenever I try to read with this deck. Um, so yeah, I cannot find anything negative about this deck. Rather than it's just a lot of cards and yeah, always you have a new card to draw. I mean, beautiful. Good. Leave me a comment if you like this deck and what do you think about it. Until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and on top of everything, happy. Bye bye.